exciting times on our Moffat Beach project. The boys are starting to get the cladding on. So I wanted to give you a run through of what we've done here and how we're doing the cladding, because as you know, I'm all about the detail and I absolutely love what I do. I love what my team do. I think we're pretty lucky with our team. We, I believe we have craftsmen working for our company. We don't have tradesmen, we've got craftsmen, because when you look at the finished product of this cladding here, it really shows the quality of the work that we do here at DPS Construction. So you would have seen in past videos, we've got all our insulation on, our battens, all that stuff. This is the cool part. So on this particular job, we're actually using this recycled Tallowwood. So Tallowwood is a beautiful timber. It greys off, it turns a really beautiful colour as it ages. It's very hardy, it suits this environment that we're building in here near the ocean. So with this particular product, we have bought this from Kennedy's Timber. Kennedy is a fantastic company to work with. They basically buy up old bridges, warehouses, they get timber from here, there and everywhere. They got a huge holding yard. And then they recycle a lot of the timber. So they mill timber to basically anything you want. So we've done work with this architect before, and they've done this, not sure if you can see it on the end there, they've done this profile for us. So this is a custom run profile. But this timber is absolutely beautiful. It's nice and straight and it's great to work with. So you'll see here on the wall where the boys are installing it. So we've actually got a joint here. So when we're doing cladding on the outsides of our buildings, one thing I can't stand is butt joints. Butt joints just end up opening up, allowing, if you're painting a house, it's where you get cracks and those types of things. We're mitering every end of every board. So when we butt it into the next one, it's just a nice, crisp, sharp joint. And you'll actually see on this job here, we're screwing it all off with square drive stainless steel nails. Look, obviously this job here is exposed, you're going to see it. So we actually got Kennedy's Timber to supply this pre-coated. So we've had a Q-Tech, I can't remember the name of this one, it might be the CD Extreme, but we've had the Q-Tech coating already applied to this at Kennedy's. And so the boys are also priming all the ends, and then once they're finished, the painters will come in and give it another coat of the Q-Tech product. Q-Tech's incredible, make incredible products for timber, absolutely love them. The detail in the marking out of the screws. So our boys, they make gauges, and you'll see all the screws are perfectly in line. So we've got beautiful straight lines up and down in the center of our battens on the walls. They're exactly the same distance top and bottom. They're exactly the same distance off the edges of the windows. So detail is everything at DPS Constructions.